Today I'm headed out to Red Oak Brewery for their biannual cruise-in, I believe it is. They have one in the spring, one in the fall. Had a good time in the spring, so we're going to go back today and check it out. So I'm on the way home from Red Oak Brewery. They had their fall cruise in. Pretty good turnout. A lot of high quality vehicles there, cars and trucks. Not as good a turnout as the spring. I guess spring usually first shows does a little better, but still had a great time. This is going to be one of my, probably going to stay on my list for a must attend show if you're in the central North Carolina, Greensboro, Burlington, Winston area, somewhere like that. It's a good time. Cool venue. Just a good little car show. No drama. Just pull up, park, go check everything out. So that's going to do it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on what your favorite vehicle was at the Red Oak Brewery car show, and we will see you on the next one.